Hello and welcome to Getting Clean on the Prairies. This is my official entry into the Shedwars21 competition. My name is Tracy and I live here with my husband Preston. We are located in Zone 3, Saskatchewan, Canada. I'm just out in my yard today. It is early December. We have had a whole lot of snow, a lot more than we usually get this time of year. And I just thought I would take you for a little tour of my garden and show you what it looks like at this time of year, because this is where all the magic will be happening next year in the Shed Wars competition. So we'll just take a little trek through the snow here. It's a beautiful day. I think it's only about above freezing Celsius, about 1 degree Celsius here. Pretty nice day. So you can see we have a lot of deer come through our yard. I've noticed a lot of traffic leading up to our bird feeders up at the house here. So deer are something that we deal with here. My husband does enjoy hunting and shed hunting. We have to keep all of our trees and small bushes caged in the winter, or they will destroy them with their horns and do a lot of chewing and stuff like that. So you can see they've been busy trucking through our yard. Hunting season is officially over here, so we enjoy just watching them and collecting their sheds throughout the winter and early spring. So these are my 2 raised garden beds. They are tucked away under the snow right now. All along the fence over here I have perennials growing. I have some garlic planted. I have asparagus planted. Here are my containers that I do a lot of container gardening in. These are mineral tubs that we get minerals for our cattle, and they make wonderful growing tubs once they are empty. So I have no end of those here. All along the back here is where I do my growing under straw. I use pea straw as the coverage here. I've put down a lot of compost, a lot of leaves, and my potatoes will all be grown using the Ruth Stout method, which has worked well for me the last couple years. Back here is where I do my composting. So far I've been managing to trek out here with my compost. I'm not sure if I will be able to get through here all winter, but see how it goes. I have a beautiful garden shed that we built and just finished off this year, and I've set it up with a eaves troughing system into this water tank so that I can water all my garden and plants with rainwater. So that is just a quick tour of my outdoor growing space. This is where I'll be doing a lot of my videoing next year. So I will just now take you indoors and show you what I do for indoor growing here. So this is my indoor growing space that I have downstairs in my basement. Down here in the wintertime, I like to grow some vegetables using the Kratky hydroponic method. And right now I'm doing some tomatoes, lots of lettuces, trying out some cucumbers, peas, and beans, and also do some microgreens as well. This is where I'll be doing all my seedlings in the springtime, getting them ready for the outdoor garden for 2021. So I think most of us would agree that 2020 was a year that we will never forget. And for me, it has really made me realize that I have so many things to be thankful for. I'm really excited to be collaborating with YouTube gardeners around the world in an effort to teach and to learn about growing your own food and overall self-sufficiency. So if you haven't already, I hope that you will join me on my channel to learn about how we grow and prosper here in Saskatchewan, Canada. Thanks for watching.